Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Farhan Shabir. I hope you are enjoying good health. Today we are sharing the job opportunity head of procurement for one of the leading company. If you want to know more about job details, eligibility criteria, perks and benefits and application process, please watch the complete video. You can also watch in our channel about the study, immigration, tourism and other job opportunities. So subscribe our channel. Let's discuss about the job opportunity. The job title is head of procurement, industry manufacturing industry and location Lahore, Pakistan. Qualification minimum master's degree and preferable in supply chain degree. And experience around 10 to 15 years of experience required in the procurement field in the manufacturing industry and minimum 5 years experience as a head of department. Salary range around 500 to 700,000 salary plus benefits like vehicle, fuel, medical and bonuses. If you feel you are the best fit for this job opportunity, then apply on the mentioned email ID. The last date for this job role is 20th of November. Thank you for watching our video. Allah Hafiz.